Hello guys, so I'm playing today Roblox. Ayoko mag-join sa kanila. Gusto ko na yung draw garden, pero mamaya na. Patrol broken the tower. Tower gusto ko today, tower. Ano magandang tower dito? Towers, i-search natin, tower. Tapos pipili na lang ako. Pipili na lang. Ay, troll. No, it's not troll. Tower. Slap tower. Speed tower. Tower of dreams. Great tower. Ay, ang ingay sa labas. Wait. Tower of cotton candy. Half tower. Ito na lang. Nakikita ko to sa TikTok na nilalaro nila. So, ito na lang. I think I want to try. Yeah. Ano yun? Ay, cute ng sound. Oh, what the? Yo, guys, let's go. Ay, hoy, excuse me, boy. Saan na yun? Okay, I'll keep going. Ah. Ay, oh no, ito yung ayoko. Ano ba yan? Nahulog na ako agad. Ay, may nag-join pala sa akin. Hello, sa nag-join. Ay! So kung sino pong gustong magpa-add friend sa akin or maging friend ako sa Roblox, this is my username. Ito na! Pusang ito! Ayaw tumigil. Hoy, ikaw pusa ka. Ba't ayaw mo tumigil? Padaanin mo naman ako just once. I mean, yeah, I like to go for ever and ever. Like, what? Ay! What the? Yeah, ay! Yeah, ayun, malapit na. Yup! Ay! Ayun, yes, guys, yes! I can't believe it. So, let's keep going. Guys. Nakakapikon tong pusa na to. Nakakapikon, guys. Nalagpasan ko na yun. Tapos pinabalik ako. What the heck? Ay, what the? Guys, help me. Hi, Jenica. Ay, what the? Ang hirap pala nito, guys. Ang hirap. I can't believe it. Ang hirap pala. Oh, what the guys. Ang hirap. Tapos dadaan pa yung putik na pusang yun. Like, ay! Excuse me. Ay, ito pala yung creator. What the? Hi. So, ikaw pala yung creator. Ano pangalan nito? Sige, capture na lang natin. Para mas madali. Ay, hindi dito yung capturean. Dito yun, pag magka-capture ka. Ay, nakauna pala yung capture, yeah. And screenshot natin. Ayan. Hoy, ikaw pusa ka. Ay! Okay, may nag-friend na sa atin. Hi! Dito sa nag-add friend sa akin today. I really hope madadaanan ko to ulit. Bummer. Bummer. What the heck did just happen? Okay, try natin guys kung makakadaan ba tayo dito. Like, itong creator na to, pasalamat ka, ikaw yung creator. What the? Okay lang yan guys, okay lang yan. At least we got another chance. So,